Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Looking to move your crypto from Revolut to your Tangem Wallet? In this quick guide, I'm discussing how to do this. So let us prepare your Tangem Wallet. Firstly, open the Tangem app and ensure your wallet is set up. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Manage Tokens. Find and enable the cryptocurrency you plan to transfer, ensuring the correct network, for example ERC20 for Ethereum. Once added, tap on the token and select Receive to copy your wallet address. After that, you can initiate the transfer, open the Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Tap on Send, then choose Add a new wallet. Paste the Tangem wallet address you copied earlier. Enter the amount you want to transfer to confirm the transaction. And that's it, your crypto is now securely transferred from Revolut to your Tangem wallet. If this helped, make sure to like and follow for more step-by-step crypto guides just like this. See you in the next one.